even though the e-government initiatives may vary in their content and their coverage, depending on whether they are national projects or they are district level projects or much smaller village level projects, whether they are G2C, G2B and so on, all projects quite possibly they go through a particular sequence, a similar sequence of activities, and the differences are primarily in the procedures and the degree of details in the various stages, but the sequences and the stages are more or less common for most e-government projects, if not all of them. The project cycle that we are referring to here can be thought of as having 4 or 5 stages. The first stage, of course, is the initial conceptualization or identification of a project. So this is a very broad idea. Really, at this point, we don't have too many details. We have a lot of alternatives, but we do have some idea of what the project should be. Maybe because there was a technology push, we learned of a new technology, and then we felt that this technology could be converted into an e-governance initiative. So there is the first stage is always a conceptualization stage. The next stage would be to take the concept, the idea, to the next level of detail, the formulation of the design, the preparation of the project stage. Not too detailed at this point, but more detailed than the concept stage. Then we begin the appraisal stage. We have concept, we have details, we begin our appraisal and evaluation and ranking, the third stage, the appraisal stage. And of course, once the appraisal is done and then we have decided, made our decision, it goes into the implementation stage. So these are the 4 stages. We can add a 5th stage, an evaluation of the project stage, a feedback stage, where we study the outcome of the project, the output of the project, and then this completes the loop. So we start with identification of the project, we go into the preparation stage, appraisal, implementation, and evaluation. So this project cycle loop continues. So this is a generic approach to how the project works.